Hello children, we are doing chapter 5 in science. The name of the chapter is Plants in Our Surroundings. We have read about the root and the shoot system, and we have read about the stem, the leaf, the flowers and the fruits. In this part, we are going to study about the seeds. The plant life starts with the seeds. The seed germinates to grow into a new plant. Different plant produce different kind of seeds. Here you can see the seeds. Seeds vary in shapes, size and color. They can be round, oval or flat. They can be brown, black, green, yellow or of some other colors. This is the seed, and the outer covering is the seed coat. This is the structure of a seed. This is a tiny plant inside the seed. When the seed gets enough sunlight, air and water, it germinates. It germinates means it grows. This means a tiny plant grows out of it. This forms the seedling. Seedling is the baby plant. A seed has seed leaf or cotyledon inside them. What is cotyledon? Cotyledon is a seed leaf. When you see a seed, there are one or two parts in it. Those parts are called the cotyledons or seed leaf. We eat some seeds such as wheat, rice, maize, gram, etc. Dicot means two cotyledons. Di means two, cot means cotyledons. Mono means one, cot means cotyledons. Dicot seeds means they have two sides, two cotyledons inside them. If you open a pea seed, you can see there are two parts. You can open it and you can see what is inside it. Monocot seeds contain only one cotyledon inside them. Remember, monocot. Mono means one, cot means cotyledon. They do not store food inside them. Food is stored in some other part of the seed. For example, maize, rice, wheat, etc. They have only one seed leaf. The growth of a seed into a baby plant or seedling is called germination. When a baby plant grows from a seed, this process is called germination. When a seed gets enough amount of air, water and sunlight and temperature, baby plant starts growing. Don't think that all the seeds will grow into new plants. No. Some seeds are eaten up by birds and insects. Some seeds get destroyed by rain or wind. Only a few seeds grow into plants. Seed, embryo means baby plant is growing. The root is growing. First the root comes out. The seed coat. Cotyledon. Root grows. Then the shoot starts growing. Plants are very important for us. You already know that plants give us oxygen, and it takes in which gas? It takes in carbon dioxide. and gives us oxygen. They give us grains, fruits, vegetables, oils, spices and medicines. Children, you have furniture at home. What is that furniture made of? It is made of wood, and we get the wood from the trees. Trees are the grown-up plants, and human beings and animals, we all depend on the plants for food. Watering the plants, taking out the weeds and taking proper care of plants is very, very important. Here are some ways in which we can take care of them. Children, you should not sow 2 seeds at very less interval. There should be sufficient space given between 2 seeds so that the plants grow properly. We should water plants regularly depending upon their needs. Few plants require more water than others. Proper sunlight should be available to them. Manures and fertilizers should be added to the soil to make it fertile. Soil should be regularly turned up with a trowel so that it remains porous and oxygen is available to the roots. Pesticides and fungicides should be sprayed whenever plants are attacked by insects or pests. You all have read that a root goes below the soil and shoot grows above the soil. The root fixes the plant firmly into the soil and absorbs water and minerals from the soil. The shoot, where does the shoot goes? The shoot grows above the ground, above the soil. The shoot consists of the stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. The trunk or stem keeps the plant straight and upright. The stem also carries water and food to different parts of the plant. The leaves prepare food for the plant. Now the next is flowers grow into fruits. Fruits contain seeds inside them. A seed contains a baby plant called embryo, which is inside it. I think you all remember seeds are of 2 types, dicot and monocot. Dicot means 2 seed leaves. Di means 2, cot means cotyledons. Monocot, mono means 1, cot means cotyledons. A seed germinates into a seedling when it gets the right amount of air, water, sunlight, temperature and nutrients. We should take proper care of plants. Photo means light. Synthesis means to make. The food is made in the presence of light by the green leaves. That is called photosynthesis. Sunlight, sun is here, it is giving sunlight. Green leaves. Green leaves are because they have a pigment called chlorophyll. They take in the carbon dioxide and they take in the water from the roots, and in the presence of sunlight, the green leaves, which is chlorophyll, they make the food. Oxygen is made. Food is made and oxygen is made. We breathe in oxygen and we get the food from the plants. This was the chapter 5. So please read it again and again and try to understand it. Thank you.